Let's talk about that yellow watery fluid called lymph that circulates in our body in the lymphatic system. There are several structures associated with the lymphatic system. The first are the primary structures, and this is where lymphoidal cells are formed and they mature. So the red bone marrow and the thymus are your primary structures, and the cells involved here are the lymphocytes, B cells, and T cells. They're formed in the bone marrow, and B cells actually mature there while T cells go to the thymus for maturation. And once formed, they then go to the secondary structures, which includes the lymph nodes. Now, the lymph nodes are throughout our body, they're everywhere, and what they have is a section for B cells and T cells. And they sort of are like your TSA security guards at the airport, right? Their job is to check for any pathogens, any issues, and, remove anything before sending people on their way, or in this case, lymph basically enters the nodes through efferent vessels. The B and T cells check for any pathogens, any antigens, sort it out and start an immune response if they have to break these down, and then send the clean version of lymph via the efferent vessels into the venous duct. That's their job. And the other secondary structures involved here include the spleen, which is basically a glorified lymph node, which filters blood, and the tonsils, and then also something called MALT, M-A-L-T, which stands for mucosa-associated lymphoidal tissue. And this is found in several areas: urinary tract, respiratory tract, and your intestinal tract. And again, it has the same job of filtering blood for pathogens. And there you have it.